The 2025 Dacia Sandman motorhome arrives as a bold statement in the world of budget-friendly adventure vehicles, blending utility with a surprisingly refined design. Designed for those craving road trips without the premium cost, this motorhome showcases Dacia's signature simplicity while incorporating thoughtful enhancements tailored for modern nomads. Despite being a concept-turned-production model, the Sandman reflects mature planning and user-centric engineering, positioning itself as an ideal entry-level motorhome. Under the hood, the Sandman is expected to feature Renault-sourced petrol and hybrid powertrains, ensuring efficiency and reliability. While it doesn't aim to break performance records, its power output is sufficient for long-distance cruising and moderate inclines. On highways, the Sandman feels steady and reassuring, aided by a reworked suspension system designed to handle the added weight of the living unit while maintaining comfort. The transmission, likely a 6-speed manual or an optional automatic, delivers smooth shifts and allows for decent fuel economy, a priority for long-haul travelers. The exterior design breaks away from traditional motorhome bulkiness, embracing a more aerodynamic, crossover-inspired look. The sleek lines, roof-mounted solar panels, and subtle chrome accents give it a unique identity that stands out at campgrounds or rest stops. LED headlights and smart DRLs provide both safety and a touch of futurism. The body is constructed with lightweight but durable materials, allowing for better fuel efficiency without compromising strength. It strikes a practical balance between aesthetic appeal and rugged functionality. Inside, the Sandman surprises with a well-thought-out cabin layout. Despite its compact size, the motorhome integrates multi-functional furniture to maximize space utility. A fold-out bed, rotating front seats, and collapsible dining table offer flexibility for daily living. The use of sustainable materials such as recycled textiles and bamboo panels adds a warm, eco-conscious feel to the interior. Ambient lighting and panoramic windows create an open and welcoming environment, ideal for both short getaways and extended trips. Technology isn't ignored either. The dashboard integrates a 10-inch infotainment touchscreen with smartphone connectivity, navigation, and control over interior systems such as lighting and climate. USB-C ports, wireless charging, and Wi-Fi capability are standard, ensuring that digital nomads stay connected. Smart storage solutions, including under-seat compartments and ceiling-mounted racks, prove Dacia's commitment to intelligent design for mobile lifestyles. One standout feature is the modular kitchenette, which includes a compact fridge, a 2-burner stove, and a stainless steel sink with a retractable faucet. It's neatly tucked behind a sliding panel and can be used both inside and outside the van, thanks to a clever side hatch. This dual functionality is a game changer for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. The dining setup doubles as a workspace, making the Sandman ideal for remote work and content creation. Sleeping arrangements are generous for a van this size. The main bed can comfortably sleep 2 adults, with an optional pop-up roof providing an additional sleeping area for children or guests. Thick, orthopedic-grade foam mattresses offer excellent support, while blackout blinds and thermal insulation ensure restful sleep in varied climates. Heating and cooling systems are integrated with a focus on energy efficiency, further enhanced by the vehicle's solar capabilities. Bathroom facilities include a compact wet room with a chemical toilet and a retractable showerhead. While tight, it remains functional and well ventilated. Water tanks are smartly integrated beneath the floor, and a digital monitoring system helps users manage freshwater and wastewater levels. Although not luxurious, the bathroom meets the essential needs of road-based living without unnecessary bulk. On the road, the Sandman delivers a stable and surprisingly quiet ride. Cabin insulation and soundproofing reduce wind and engine noise to a minimum, making long drives less fatiguing. Visibility is excellent thanks to large side mirrors and an optional 360-degree camera system, which aids in navigating narrow roads or tight campsites. Its relatively compact size makes it more manageable than traditional motorhomes, especially in urban environments or rural backroads. Off-grid capabilities are solid, with solar panels feeding a lithium battery that powers interior appliances. An optional inverter and auxiliary battery expand power storage and conversion options. These systems, combined with an efficient diesel heater and roof-mounted ventilation, make the Sandman capable of extended off-grid stays, appealing to adventure seekers and eco-travelers alike. Safety is another strong suit. The 2025 Sandman is expected to feature driver assistance technologies such as lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and emergency braking. Its reinforced chassis and multiple airbags ensure a good level of crash protection. Tire pressure monitoring and hill start assist are also integrated, enhancing confidence for first-time motorhome drivers. The Dacia Sandman isn't meant to rival premium RVs but rather to offer an affordable gateway into the lifestyle. It meets the needs of practical travelers with essential features wrapped in a well-built, compact shell. By focusing on the fundamentals and adding clever modularity, Dacia has created a motorhome that doesn't overpromise but definitely overdelivers in its segment. Fuel economy numbers are expected to be impressive, hovering around 35 to 40 mpg depending on the load and terrain. This efficiency, paired with low maintenance costs, will make the Sandman a popular choice among cost-conscious explorers. The brand's extensive service network across Europe ensures that users won't face difficulties getting repairs or parts during long road trips. Public response to the prototype has been overwhelmingly positive, with pre-orders reportedly high even before full production. Outdoor communities, van life influencers, and travel bloggers have shown great interest, praising its balance between style, practicality, and price. It manages to appeal to both first-time buyers and downsizing veterans who are tired of overcomplicated, overpriced alternatives. In conclusion, the 2025 Dacia Sandman motorhome emerges as a smart, approachable, and purpose-driven vehicle. While it lacks high-end luxuries, its simplicity is precisely what makes it appealing. It invites users to focus on the journey, not the hardware, and proves that the spirit of adventure doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag.